Come on. Come on. Come on, meow. Come on, Alice. No? Want to stay in the house? Okie dokie. Kitties. Hey guys, what's going on? We just got the new cables in from the last video, and I'm going to be installing those in this video. We also have something else that I got because I'm going to be getting rid of the bandsaw. And so we went down and we got something else to replace the area. Well, kind of. Replace something in the shop. Now, I told you guys in the last video that I was going to be getting rid of this bandsaw because I've got another one. And because I'm getting rid of this, we went down and got a parts washer. Yeah, this is one of those Harbor Freight parts washers. The fluid that I got, well, I'll show you what that stuff is. Now, this is the spot where we were planning that I decided to put it right next to the drill press. It seems like a really nice spot. I had to move some of this stuff over, and a lot of my junk pieces of sheet metal I stuck back on the other side of this. This is the degreaser stuff that I bought with it. It was there at Harbor Freight, and I think, you see, this is biodegradable. Whoa! See, this is biodegradable stuff, and I think this isn't, well, I'm pretty sure this stuff is not as strong as what regular degreaser is, like you would find in a garage setting, you know, where you're, you know, professional garage setting or something. And I'm sure you guys out there know of some good degreaser to get that I could put inside of here. Now, the thing is I've already taken the liberty of setting it all up and putting liquid in there. And I've tested it out on this lawnmower spring. And it seems like this stuff is more of a soap than it is a solvent. Because when I have it on, it doesn't seem to get off the real icky grit stuff if I just put it under there and let it run for a while. It doesn't dissolve any of the grease or nothing or any of that crap. I have to actually get in there and use some elbow grease and clean this stuff off. So I think all this liquid primarily is just to lift off the grease when you're scrubbing. I'll turn it on here in a second. But this thing is 20 gallons, but what I have in here is just enough to go up over the filter. And this is 13 gallons of water that you have to mix with this stuff. And it's a 1 part to 26 parts, so it would be like 1 gallon to 26 gallons. But since I have 13 gallons of water in here, I only put in half a container of the degreaser stuff, the soap. Well, after filling it all up, I noticed that the water level, or the liquid level, was above this pan, and I don't like that. So I had the thing running, and then I took that canister and then just put it underneath the spout, and it just filled it all the way up, and I took out an entire gallon of water, of the fluid out of it. It looks like, you know, it looks like Freon, you know, or not Freon, but it looks like stuff that you would put in your radiator. But, you know, it's not. It's soap. And it's got the switch over here. Let me turn this on quick so you guys can hear it. And there we go. But now, like I said, this soap, or this degreaser, it's more like soap. Because watch this. See, it creates suds. And I can put my tool or my scrubbing utensils inside of this, or put little parts in there. And I got this little glass container in here, so I can submerge this whatever stuff I'm cleaning and use a brush to clean it all off. But this is, like I said, all this really does is just lift off the grease, and it doesn't penetrate it and dissolve it and break it down. And I'm thinking, looking at the pump that's in here, it doesn't seem to be a very heavy-duty pump. So I'm kind of assuming that the stronger solvent I have inside of the tank, the faster this pump is going to wear out. But I'm sure there's a few of you out there who are familiar with these things. And yeah, if you know of any good solvent that I could replace this stuff with, let me know. That would be awesome. because I want to be able to clean like carburetors and stuff like that in here. And this stuff is not, I can tell right away this is not good enough stuff for that, because once I submerge my whole hand in it, I feel this greasy film. It's this slick film that the soap leaves behind. It's a residue. And I mean, it's great for cleaning your hands, yeah. You know, my hands are icky and dirty. Yeah, I can just come over here and, you know, use them to wash my hands. But for going after parts, it, see, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but this is where all the grit is at, and this is the cleaning area. This is the cleaner area. Yeah, need to get some more of these little copper brushes. But I'm glad I got that. Now I need to get a roll of paper towels up here. Alright, so now I'm going to put on these cables. And the first cable I'm putting on is a 21-inch walk-behind mower. I think this is just a generic aftermarket, I think. HIPAA 7460957 Zone C, 21-inch walk-behind mower, new. I think so. Okay, that's 20. That one's 21 inches. And this one is the is for the snap-on, I guess. Snap-on zone cable ass. Oh, this one goes on the ass. Husqvarna. All right, quantity 1. All right. Well, let's see if I can make this work. Yeah, remember when I told you about mowing the lawn? Yeah, I went out and then I waited a few days, went out and mowed it after it rained, and then it rained again the next day, so now we've got a crop of dandelions. Yeah, dang it. Huh? All right. All right, now this is the Troy built, and I guess we'll find out. All right, now I wonder if it goes like that somehow, some way. Let's see. So this part's gonna go through here, and then it's gonna snap in, I would think. Oh! I'm gonna have to pull out my drill. Make that hole a little bigger. Okay, well, I just got the other one started. But what I had to do, or this one here, I just got this one started. And what I had to do is, for some reason, where the manufacturer's hole for this bracket was at, this must have been the wrong length that we bought, but going up a ½ inch, I'm able to hook it up, drill another hole through there, and now she works okay. And I just started it, so this one works. But now we're gonna try the other one. This bad boy hasn't been started for a long time, and I don't know if she's gonna start. You guys are gonna watch me burn my arm out trying to start this thing. Yeah. I'm gonna try this out. Hi, monkey. What you doing, kitty? Huh? What you doing, kitty? All right. Get out of here. Go. Come on. All right. Now this thing doesn't have a chip. Oh yeah, I guess it does. Check the oil. Yeah, looks nice and black. Thick as licorice. All right. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna help. Might have to take the spark plug out, fix all that, clean that all up. Alright. Now chances are later on I'm probably going to have to replace this cable right here that operates the other stuff. All this rope that's on here. All this rope that's on this thing is I can't find the spout for this, so I have to prop the thing open with the cords, so that way the grass exits. I can't find that spout. I'm sure I probably got it someplace, or maybe I threw it away. I don't know. But oh, and for you guys wondering, yeah, this is my EDC. Yeah, I got it from Walmart. It was like I picked it off the shelf and it was like $5, and I walked up and I paid for it, and it ended up being like $3. So it was like $2.99 or $3.99, something like that. And then I hooked on this Wrangler thing that came along with a pair of pants, and it's one of those little extra things that you just throw away. But I stuck this key ring on there, and this other little key ring on there, and this metal plate right here, that's full metal. So if I have some place where I have a magnet, I can just stick my knife to it and then grab it. Because I have this belt that I've never shown you guys before that I wear sometimes when I'm trying to do fast stuff, and I've got magnets on it, so I can just clip my stuff to it, whether it be a knife or a paintbrush or whatever. I can just clip it to it, and then I can just grab it off real quick. I used it a lot at this place I used to work at, where I was head of shipping, and I had a knife on there. I had a knife on it. I had tape. I had these little cardboard pieces that we'd need to tape onto the furniture. I was head of shipping of this furniture company, and we made industrialized furniture and stuff for like schools and universities and stuff like that. And I had my tool belt all made up with all this fancy stuff that would make my job really fast and quick and efficient. So I would never have to put anything down and go find it, on the rack or whatever. I had everything, and I got picked on. Everybody thought, yeah, that's the bat belt. He's got his utility bat belt. He's got everything on there that he needs to do the job. And yeah, they laughed at me, but I could do sometime, depending upon who it was, I could do 2 wrappings of a rolling cabinet to somebody else's one. Because I was fast and I had everything right there. I never had to walk away from the cabinet and go grab cardboard or any of that kind of crap. I had it all with me. Made it efficient and fast. Yeah. I did like that job. Busted my ass really, a lot. But they just didn't like giving raises. They didn't want to give anybody raises. When I asked for a raise one time, they turned around and says, well, are you going to work harder if we give you a raise? I'm like, no. That's not how it works. People work hard to get raises. Not, hey, give me a raise and I'll work harder. That's bullshit. No, people work to get raises. They work hard to get raises. Not, hey, I'm working hard right now, but if you give me a raise, I'm going to work harder. No, that's not how it works. That's not how it works. But anyways, guys, I'm going to jump on out of here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I got a whole bunch of mowing to do. I haven't even shown you the front yard because, that's embarrassing and stuff. But I'm going to get on out of here. I'd like to thank all my new subscribers, and all my new viewers for subscribing and stuff. That's cool. For those of you guys who are familiar with parts washers, let me know about a good type of solvent that I could probably get to replace that stuff that I have in there. I'm not going to worry about throwing that stuff away because it's biodegradable. So, yeah. But, yeah, if I can find something that's harsher and stronger without burning out the seals in that cheapo pump, you know, great. You know what I'm saying? So, all right. Well, I'll see you guys later.